guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. Today we are doing some chicken with a rhubarb sauce. That's right, rhubarb sauce. Oh, so tart. Now, isn't it interesting that we use a vegetable with fruit to make desserts, and yet tomatoes are a fruit and we use them in savory ways? I've been wanting to use rhubarb in savory ways for a while just because we have so much of it, and I do get sick of crumble after a while, although crumble's delicious. And we thought, why not make this into a sauce for chicken? The only product you're going to need from our store is the Madagascar black pepper olive oil. This just has beautiful peppery flavor to it, and it's just going to add some nice extra something to our sauce. Now, Nick from Old 99 Farm in Dundas showed me some thigh, really nice thigh, chicken thigh that is. We're going to be using this for our chicken tonight, so we're going to get that in our cast iron pot. So we've got our pot. Again, for all ingredients and measurements, please go to our website for all that. For our pepper olive oil, we are just going to throw in some here on the bottom. And we're going to let that warm up. So our pepper oil is nice and warmed. First, we are going to brown all sides of our chicken. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes with them on their one side, so we are going to flip these. We let these sit for another 5 minutes. Alright, so these are done. I'm just going to get these out of our pot here. So, next thing we want to get in here is we thinly sliced up some garlic. We're also getting some red onion in here. Cook all that down. Alright, I will say this is ready for the next step. So next we are throwing in some turmeric. Cook this with everything for about 30 seconds. Oh, the aromatics. It was already good with the onion and garlic, but now with the turmeric, oh gosh. Alright, and next we are throwing in some Roma tomatoes. Just going to mix all this up together. Now that the tomatoes are in here, we are going to let this cook for another 5 minutes. Alright, we're ready for some liquid. The bottom of our pan is nicely deglazed. So we are going to throw in some honey. After the honey, we are adding some lime juice. We are also, at this point, throwing in our rhubarb. Such an interesting choice, right? Just going to mix this all up together. Alright, now we are going to throw our chicken back in. Once the chicken is in, got some chicken stock that we're going to pour in over top. And we are putting our lid on this. So with the lid on, we are going to bring this to a boil. Once it's at a boil, we are going to turn it down to a simmer and let it cook for an hour and a quarter with the lid on. So our chicken is fully cooked. As you can see, our sauce has reduced. We're just going to do a quick taste and see if it needs anything. That's really nice, guys. Again, flavors you wouldn't think of putting together. The only thing I'm going to do is just put some salt in there, and that should help a bit. Oh, much better. That's perfect. This is ready to go. The colors, the smells, oh my gosh. This is just, the little bit I tasted in the pot was amazing. Let's try it with some chicken though. Piece off here. Some rhubarb on that. Wow. Chicken is so tender. That sauce is bursting with flavor, even with rhubarb. This is a, wow. I have no words for this. This actually shocks me because also we've never made this before, but this is amazing. I hope you guys like this recipe. I hope you try it because it, wow, that's good stuff. Again, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Not enough slide. It's been a while. Do you have a bunch of rhubarb that's maybe frozen, sitting in the freezer, waiting to be used in a crumble or something like that? Well, we're doing something a little differently with rhubarb. We are using it in a... Today, we are making a chicken with rhubarb sauce. That's what it is. Try it again.